Thank you for watching and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about tomatoes' nutritional value, health benefits, and risks. It's essential to note that while tomatoes offer numerous health benefits, individual reactions can vary, and it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist for personalized advice, especially if you have specific health concerns or conditions. Nutritional value of tomatoes. 1. Calories, approximately 22 calories per 100 grams. 2. Water content, tomatoes are about 95% water. 3. Carbohydrates, around 4.8 grams per 100 grams. 4. Protein, about 0.9 grams per 100 grams. 5. Fat, very low, about 0.2 grams per 100 grams. 6. Fiber, good source of dietary fiber, providing about 1.2 grams per 100 grams. 7. Vitamins, rich in vitamins, particularly vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin K8. Minerals, contains potassium, manganese, and folate. Health benefits of tomatoes. 1. Antioxidants, tomatoes are rich in antioxidants, such as lycopene, which may help protect against certain cancers and heart diseases. 2. Heart health, the potassium in tomatoes helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 3. Vision, the vitamin A content supports vision and eye health. 4. Skin health, the antioxidants in tomatoes contribute to skin health and may protect against sun damage. 5. Bone health, rich in vitamin K and calcium, promoting bone health. 6. Digestive health, the fiber content aids digestion and helps prevent constipation. Risks. 1. Acidity, tomatoes are acidic and may induce acid reflux or heartburn. 2. Allergies, some people may be allergic to tomatoes, causing skin rashes or digestive issues. 3. Nightshades, some individuals may be sensitive to these plants, experiencing joint pain or digestive discomfort. 4. Sensitivity to histamine, tomatoes contain histamine, which can trigger symptoms in individuals sensitive to this compound. Thank you for watching this video.